So you recently wrote the real estate rulebook, and you spent a lot of time on this, and it's really easy to read, and I've really enjoyed it so far. So can you tell me a little bit about why you decided to write it in the first place?
Well, I've often thought about writing a book, and my daughter and I used to joke about the book, and we would, put little snippets in a folder and pictures and things like that. But then I actually got approached by a book publisher asking me if I had thought about writing a book, went and had an interview, and we kind of collaborated on it, and then I came up with the real estate rule book. And what it is it's basically my personal story, but it also is very educational. And I've tried to include a lot of real estate and investing terminology, financing, all of that, so that everybody from the very beginning to more advanced investors would find something good in the book.
It really does. It just carries through the story really well, just ties in those terms as you're going through, and it makes it really enjoyable as you're learning about how you did it and what you did to make it work. So how long did this process take you? You had been collecting things for a long time, but once you sat down, how long did it take?
Once I sat down, it took me a couple of months to put it all together.
Oh, very cool. And then this book is very much about your personal story. So what's a little bit of background about you that we should maybe know going into the book?
Well, I first got into real estate when I was active duty in the Navy and bought my first duplex. And after that process, I was married, and my husband at the time was on sea duty. And while he went out to sea, I decided that I wanted to learn more about housing, and I decided a good way to do it would be to go ahead and go to real estate school, and I ended up getting my real estate license because I enjoyed it so much that I thought not only did I want to help myself, but I want to try to help others as well.
And that's really great. It brings years of experience, but in such a understandable way. It's just an amazing book to be able to read, and we really appreciate that you wrote it.